So friends, today I'm going to show you how I turn this my beautiful African craft flower into a beautiful slippers like this. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below if you have ever made anything like this, and please subscribe if you have not done so. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you how I did this side and the other side here, and how I'm able to put it together just like this. So first of all, we are going to cover this rough side inside, and what I want to do is I'm going to carry my fiber and just put the flower on top like this and draw it out. So when I put the flower on top, you can see that it's a bit much. So what we are going to do is we'll just use our scissors and trim it out. So after trimming it out, you can see how it's going to be on the flower. So I'm going to use my leather and cover this side. So I'll apply gum by this side and apply gum on the leather and then put it together this way. So we'll let it dry before we join the two together. So after it is dry, put it this way. So you're going to use a sharp razor and cut the edges. So you just cut it all around. So now that we're done with this one, we'll just keep it aside. And you cut a fiber of 6.5 millimeter. So we're going to fold it like this. Okay. So I drew up to 13 millimeter from this side to this side so that we'll use it to last. But we're going to put this in the middle. Just as you can see here, is short. The reason is so that it can stand, because the leather is so soft it cannot hold a flower. So I have to put something a bit stiff that can hold it. So we're going to apply gum both here and on the leather. So when the glue is dry, just put it in the middle. Add glue here again before you put the other side. So you let it dry again before you finally fold it. So this is what we have at the end. So at the end we have the two straps. We'll keep it aside. So the next thing we're going to do is this place. You can see that it's round. It's not a kind of flat shape, it's round. So I use an old cable and wrap it with my leather so that it can give me this round shape. And we'll cut out. So I just mark 4 millimeter here on this cable and I'll cut it. So this is what we need. We are going to wrap it in the middle, wrap it around after applying our glue. but because this side is going to lap on at the end here, I want us to kind of scrape it so that it will be lighter on this side. Just take your time a bit and do it. You do it until you have the weight that you want by this side. So I've just carved one of the side of the leather. This side now is a bit lighter than the other side here. So I'm going to apply glue on the leather and on this cable that I have just cut. So just let the two dry. So just place it in the middle and roll it. Maybe towards the end we're going to add glue here so that it can stick very well. So you can see after wrapping this how it looks. So you can just add glue to this side and fold it a bit. Do not worry too much about this side because it is going to be hidden inside here, and you do the same thing to this side. So at the end, this is what we have. So now we'll just carry this flower, and this one we are going to place it like this. See, we'll add glue and we'll attach it here with the glue. Then these ones are going to go this way. The other one will come like this. So I'll put glue on all of them and I'll put it the way it is so that you can see. So just apply glue all over and let it dry. So now that it's dry, you just carry it and put it this way. So we are going to add glue again on top of this place, and then this time around we'll add glue here. You remember this one that we cut earlier? Then we'll just cover it like this. When the whole thing is dry, you press this place down very well so that it will hold, and this one too. So we are going to apply gum and we'll come back to join later. So now that it's dry, we'll just carry this one and put it this way. So you can see how well it has stick with the glue, and the inside too is very okay. So I have my insole already. I have done a detailed tutorial on how to cut out insole in one of my videos. If you have been watching my videos, you will see the tutorial, but I'm going to leave a link to that tutorial in the description of this video in case you don't know how to cut out your insole just like this. You punch this place. I've shown in several videos how you punch this place. So I'm going to apply glue here. So that cable that we put ends here. The other side, there's no cable there. So you just insert like this. We're going to take measurement from here. This is where this handle is, so I'll mark it. Mark this side, mark the other side like this. So you see these places that I mark, you just draw it this way and draw this one like this, but it's a bit too much, so we are going to trim it. We'll trim it and trim it this way, and then we'll apply glue at the edges and on this side so that we can lace it before we put the whole glue on it. So you just draw it and so you just put it like this. Now we're going to apply glue on all this side, and I'll apply glue again on the sole before we lace the two together. So now that both the insole and the sole has dried, we are going to last it together. So you can just press it and then hammer it a bit with your mallet. So finally, this is how it looks, so beautiful, and I really love it. So friends, please, if you love this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down below. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.